And hi guys, my name is Teena and today we will be talking about something very different. Not the normal content that I have, but it's a hack. Lalo na this coming holidays. I just filmed the makeup tutorial, by the way. If you haven't seen it, go check it out. This holidays, let's not lie to ourselves, maraming inuman. I am not one to deny myself the fun of drinking with my family and friends. As long as hindi ako bangenge lasing levels, I'm good. Because I think I'm also done with that phase. Hindi na ako bata. So, now that I'm getting a bit older, I need to watch how much I drink. And to be honest, I don't really drink as much as I did. But I do notice that when my barkada and I do go out to drink, sometimes napapa one time, big time kami. And we do suffer the next day. So, Karis is an app where basically you can just buy a lot of different products from, whether it be makeup, skincare, or other, items that we like this. Basically, you eat the candy before drinking 1 or 2 or sometimes 3 for best results, and go drink, and then the next day you will not have a hangover. I have tested this multiple times and I'm so happy to say that it does work. It works for my other friends, it works for my college classmates that has already bought, and I've also gotten messages na nag-work to sa kanila and they actually need this every time they drink. Although mayroon akong kakilala na hindi ginanahan ito. So, I think depende pa rin talaga yun sa body mo. Pero, for the most part, honestly, gumagana to. And, ang masasabi ko lang kasi is yung my experience. And in my experience, it works for me. And to prove that, I will take you guys with me sa inuman namin one random time with my barkada. Basically, yeah, ito na yun. Hey guys! So, we are out tonight. And we're drinking the candy to show you na talagang effective siya. So, sorry kung madilim. This is our annual Christmas party. Oh, hindi kami complete. Okay. Next year. We've used this plenty of times. Yeah. And it really works. Last time, literal lasing ako. No hangover. I didn't puke, and normally I puke. Ready cute. True. Good afternoon. May lipstick pa ako. But yeah, I woke up fine. Medyo masakit yung ulo ko kaninang morning, but I feel better now. I feel like I didn't drink a lot last night. So, effect sa akin. And I think iba-iba yung effect per people. I slept for a long time though. It's 3 p.m. and I just woke up. So, ayun nga, pagising ko, medyo sagwa na yung tsura ko. But it's the truth, I did not puke. And every time I drink, I actually do puke or vomit because I need to let all the acid out. Otherwise, hindi ako makakatulog. So, ang nangyari sa akin was sumakit lang a bit yung ulo ko, but I did not puke and I woke up like I didn't drink a lot, even though I did. So, I don't know, try it, why not, diba? I have a promo for 2 more days. So, check it out kasi sayang. Guys, let me know. It will always be in my store naman, but sayang yung promo. Yan, ganito ang itsura niya. Lasa lang siyang pochi, mango na pochi, ganon. Masarap siya. Di ko pa natatry yung tatluhan, but I have drank 2 palagi every time before I drink, and yun yung gumagana sa akin. The regular price of this is 150 pesos, which is, not really bad if you are someone who gets really bad hangovers. It's a small price to pay. But every time that I do have my promos, nagiging buy 1 take 3, nagiging 4 packs for 150. So it's a really good price every time we have a promo. So if you are watching this video at tapos na yung promo, just follow me on Instagram because I will always try to keep them back because these are really good. Yeah. But if you're watching this at may promo pa ngayon, I think you should just take advantage kasi minsan lang tayo makakakuha ng ganong promo. So that is it. I hope you guys try it and let me know if it doesn't work for you. Let me know if it does. Let's help each other out. Let's not be zombies, the next day after we drink, because sometimes that happens and sometimes we drink before we work the next day and we just need that extra help. So don't forget, the link is down in the description box for these items, and that's pretty much it. If you want to see more of my videos, please don't forget to click the post notification button and follow me on Instagram for daily updates. And with all that said, I want you guys to never forget that you are beautiful. Bye! God bless!